So I've been wanting to make my own sausages for what feels like an absolute eternity. I went out and bought myself a sausage stuffer about 2 or 3 years ago. I bought the mincer. I even went out and bought some of Bradley Robinson's starter mixes. I just haven't been able to get round to it. There's a lot to it. It's a faff. You're going to make a lot of mess. You need a lot of cleaning up afterwards. You need to make a big batch to make it worthwhile. So when it comes to getting inspiration from people, there is a few people that come to mind. For me, it's Sausage Sensei. You got Steve from Big Bag Small Goods. You've also got Sausage Boss out in the USA. Their videos and their products look amazing. I do chat to my mate Michael Lieberth out in the USA. He lives in Ohio. He's been making sausages for years. He's not online in any way, but he's a great guy, makes some amazing sausages, and he's even given me some of his top quality recipes, and I just haven't got around to it. It's one of those things. So I went out and bought a shed load of sausages to do a sausage series, get some flavour preferences, have a little bit of a culinary road trip, if you like, through sausage. Now, sausage in the UK, if you want some top quality craft sausages, you need to go to Ali Clark. He's been a chef for 15 years. He spent a lot of time out in Brazil. He got some of his inspiration from Brazil while he was out there, but he decided to start making his own sausages, craft sausages, back in the days of COVID, and he's doing really well now. He sells out quite often. He often does special editions like one-offs and collaborations, like he done a Tubby Tom one recently. Ollie Eats, but he also has his usual suspects for go-tos on the website, which when you go on there, there's normally repeat ones that are there every week. So some of these you'll see today, you can actually order. Some of them are going to be the one-off collaborations. With all that being said, because Ali is such a wizard at making craft sausages, I decided to go out and get myself a load. Me being me, I don't like doing things by half. Want to do a massive series on sausages, doing all sorts of different things with his different sausages. Going to do something different every time. Try and keep it in line with the whole theme of each sausage. I might have just gone a little bit overboard. You tell me. There's quite a bit here. It's going to take me a while to get through, and a fair few videos to be fair, but it's all going to be good fun. These are his usual suspects, some of his usual suspects that he has online. A lot of these are the like one-offs. Sometimes he repeats them, sometimes he doesn't. The collabs and whatnot. So you've got Mr. Brannigan's maple mustard sausage. I think he does repeat that one. As I say, for the usual suspects, you've got smoked cheddar and chipotle, the Sicilian, cheddar and jalapenos, apple and hot honey, Texas hot links. They're meant to be really good. Not tried that one yet. I've tried a few already, purely in the name of research, obviously. Truffle, rosemary and parmesan. That, I think, is going to be good. Brazilian. I mean, when you look in there, that's got some real texture going on in there, and flavour, obviously. So for my first two, I'm going to be doing these. So this one is Ollie Eats collaboration. This is lamb doner sausage. So we're going to be obviously making a kebab with this one. Like I say, I want to kind of run with the theme of the sausage as to what we're going to do with it, but try and do something different every time. We've got the Tubby Tom's collab, the rattlesnake sausage. Now, do a burrito with this one. I think it's going to work really well. Make a massive burrito. That'd be awesome. And as I say, with the Texas hot links and things like that, ones you guys can order yourselves and replicate. And as well as that, we're just going to have fun with flavours. Obviously, there's so much going on here. It's unbelievable. And I cannot wait for this series to start. So, with that being said, go cook something exceptional. I'll see you when I see you. Cheers. So many. Wild garlic, chorizo verde, Korean barbecue sausage, sticky marmalade, and dark soy. Hog roast. What would you do with all this? Comment down below and let me know. What ones do you want to see next?